We're gonna start this project with a large brush. We're gonna dip it in light blue paint and we'll cover about the half of the artwork. Next, you can dip your brush in darker shade of blue and cover the rest of the artwork. Next, you can grab your medium-sized brush and dip it in dark green paint. We'll start by creating an outline for a large oval on the left side of the artwork. Then we can paint it in. Next, we'll create couple smaller ovals on the right side of an artwork. After wiping your brush with paper towel, you can dip it in lightest green to create an outline for an oval on top of the largest leaf. Then you can paint it in. Next, we'll start painting a dragonfly. We'll add a straight line and then a small circle next to it. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in green paint and create an oval head for the frog. You'll start by creating an outline, then you'll paint it in. Next, you'll add 2 small half circles on top of that oval. We'll create a long oval on each side of frog's body. Now we'll be adding 2 straight lines. We'll switch to smallest brush and same green paint to add fingers. Next, we'll add a small dot on the tip of each finger. We'll continue using same color to add an outline to both sides of frog's body. Next, we'll switch to a medium-sized brush and red paint. We'll create half circle and then we'll turn it into petals on top of one of the leaves. Next, you can paint it in. We'll create a smaller water lily on top of smaller leaf. We'll switch to a small brush and white paint to create outline for 2 circles on frog's face. Next, we'll add 2 circles on top of dragonfly's head. We'll switch to a medium-sized brush and white paint to create dragonfly's wings. We'll add 2 straight lines on one side and 2 straight lines on the other side. We'll switch to a small brush and green paint to add stripes on Dragonfly's body. You can use tip of your brush to paint 2 antennas, then you can add 2 dots on top of them. We'll use darkest green paint to create a smile for a frog. We'll switch to a medium-sized brush and pink paint to add couple pink brush strokes on top of red water lilies. Now we're gonna switch to a small brush and pink paint to create a long tongue for our frog. We'll add a spiral on the tip of the tongue. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in dark green to add 2 nostrils. Next, you can use black paint to add a black circle in each eye for frog and dragonfly. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in blue paint to add waves in the water. After washing and wiping your small brush, you can use white paint to highlight each eye. You can dip your brush in pink to add 2 pink ovals on frog's face. And our final step is to sign your name in the corner. Don't forget to like and subscribe.